My name is Vikas Gupta. I'm the personal relation manager for Art Carrot. Art Carrot brings its latest offering by the name of Internal by Asha. She is the designer, Asha Kamal Modi, and endorsed by Juhi Chawla. She is a brand ambassador. The selection of she is representing the basic element of class, dignity, and excellence. And its designer vision to make every woman like a Juhi Chawla, as beautiful as Juhi Chawla. So this collection is here on display at Taj Deccan Hotel, and this collection is based on the base metal we use as a silver, and the sheet of gold and with the studded of real stones are studded in this. So the price ranging is starting from 2,000 to 1,50,000 depending on the craftsmanship. These all pieces are handcrafted and here on display at Hotel Taj Deccan from 4th of April to 8th of April. And the beauty of these pieces are you can exchange all these pieces within 1 year time. 25% of its paid value is deducted, and 75% you can exchange anything new. And a part of that, we give lifetime maintenance warranty. In this collection, you'll find all beautiful necklaces, earrings, long earrings, baju buns, armlets, bridal collection, and some western wears, traditional wear, everything what a lady desire. So at the time when the rate of gold is getting higher day by day, so designer has created alternate line of jewelry which commands the same respect and value, and it's valued as an art, and it's yet affordable by a common person. So this is all about Art Carrot, and most of the collection had showcased in many blockbuster movies like Devdas, Monsoon Wedding, Jubeda, Yatra, Kamsutra. So all this collection you can view at Taj Deccan Hotel. Like it's a fusion of all previously launched themes like Nizams, Vivah, Parampara. So the latest theme is Juhi Chawla. This collection is based on Juhi Chawla. Its specialty is Kundan work. Kundan work, it is said it is made only on the base of gold with real diamonds, but designer had created Kundan on the base of silver with sheet of gold and studded with authentic gemstones to give you the real feel. So Kundan is our specialty, craftsmanship Kundan, and a part of that we have earrings, beautiful earrings, which is also in Kundan, jerkins, and the designing like traditional, contemporary and Victorian designs are available here. See, we are basically the promoters of dying art of India, which is in the possession of royal families or in the museum. So like not only traditional, we also have western, contemporary and traditionals, and for daily uses also. See, we have 16 showrooms in India, and we have international presence in UK, US, Canada, Singapore, Dubai, all over the world. And we have an online showroom also, artcarrot.com, so you can view all this collection online also and order from online also. We have been doing exhibition for last 18 years, and this is our 15th year in Hyderabad. We come once in 6 months, and our latest offering is Juhi Chawla. Rate of gold is soaring, it's getting higher day by day, and it's not affordable. So in place of diamonds, we use jerkins, which look exactly same like diamonds, but it's not. The cost is very less, and it is studded beautifully in necklaces, chokers, earrings. So it gives you the feel that you are wearing real diamonds or real jewelry.